Greetings and welcome to the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, delighted to have you with us as we explore today's top stories. At newsramp.com, we curate business news from the best newswires, bringing you the most relevant updates. Before we dive in, just a quick heads up. While AI assists in producing this podcast and generating the voices, the news stories are all real. You can read the full articles on newsramp.com. Today is Tuesday morning, July 15th, 2025, and we have a great mix of health, fitness, and wellness headlines lined up for you. So whether you're on the go, working out, or just relaxing, stay with us as we get started. Here's our first headline.
Ethema updates shareholders on public filings and interim results. Ethema Health Corporation provides an update to shareholders on public filings and interim results. The company experienced audit-related delays in filing its 2024 10-K, causing a delay in filing its first quarter results. The first quarter review is underway and expected to be filed by month end, allowing the company to file its second quarter on time. Ethema filed for listing on the new OTC ID market and was approved pending the filing of its first quarter financials. Revenue for the first quarter was $3.5 million, with a projection of $5.5 million for the quarter ending September 30th, 2025. Ethema was recertified for 3 years by the Joint Commission and has reached 93% occupancy in Florida. In Kentucky, the company is in the process of certification with managed care organizations and has been added as an approved provider to the Department of Corrections.
Ethema updates shareholders on public filings and interim results. Ethema Health Corporation updates shareholders on public filings and interim results. The company experienced audit-related delays in filing its 2024 10-K, causing a delay in filing its first quarter results. The first quarter review is underway and expected to be filed before month end. The company filed for listing on the new OTC ID market and was approved pending the filing of its first quarter financials. Revenues for the first quarter were approximately $3.5 million, with second quarter revenues around $4.4 million. The company projects $5.5 million for the quarter ending September 30th, 2025. Ethema was recertified by the Joint Commission accrediting body for 3 years, demonstrating commitment to patient care. In Kentucky, the company is making progress with managed care organizations and the Department of Corrections, expanding its operations and services.
Diopter Technologies announces completion of early clinical study for revolutionary dissolving amniotic membrane biopolymer contact lens for ocular surface disease treatment. Diopter Technologies has completed early clinical studies for their dissolving amniotic membrane biopolymer contact lens, a groundbreaking device for treating ocular surface diseases. The lens releases growth factors while dissolving over 48 to 72 hours, eliminating the need for removal. This innovative design aims to reduce scarring, inflammation, and promote tissue regeneration. CEO Chris Adams stated that the device delivers healing factors precisely where needed, transforming ocular surface rehabilitation. The company plans to launch the product in Q1 2026 after completing human trials and FDA submission. Diopter Technologies is known for developing advanced ocular therapeutic delivery systems, merging materials science with clinical ophthalmology.
Q&A with Karen Hooper, Chief Operating Officer at Curebound. Cures for Cancer in Our Lifetime. Karen Hooper, the Chief Operating Officer at Curebound, brings over 25 years of nonprofit leadership experience to the organization. Curebound's mission is to accelerate cures for cancer in our lifetime by investing in innovative research. To date, they have awarded 143 grants, totaling over $43 million. Recently, they raised $11.5 million at their Concert for Cures with Elton John. The 12th annual Curebound Cancer Challenge will take place on August 2nd at UC San Diego. The recent NIH funding cuts have impacted cancer research, making support from organizations like Curebound crucial. People and businesses can help by participating in events, forming teams, and donating. Karen emphasizes the importance of community and connection in nonprofit work and believes that cures for cancer are possible in our lifetime.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.